Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn ordering decimals, and to order decimals we just need to focus on the numbers that we have before the decimals and after the decimals, and we just need to compare that numbers. So let's get started the video. Here we have the first question: 0 0.4, 0 0.04 and 0 0.44, and we need to change this in ascending order. First we need to learn that what is ascending order. So in ascending order we just place the smallest number in the first place, and then the bigger number, and then the biggest of all. So here you can see that we have three numbers, so we just need to compare all the numbers with each other. So you can see that the first digit here is 0, 0 and 0. They all are the same, so we cannot do anything about that. Now we need to see the second number. Here we have 4, 0 and 4. So you can see that 0 is smaller than 4, so we will choose that number and we will write that number in the first place because that number is smallest than the others. Now we need to compare rest of the numbers, and that is 0 0.4 and 0 0.44. So the first number is 0 and 0. The next number is 4 and 4, that is equal. And the third number is, if we don't have anything there, we can put 0. So now the third number is 0 here and 4 here. So you can see that 0 is smaller than 4. So we will choose 0 0.40 in the second place. And now we are left with only one number, so that would be in the third place. This is how we order in ascending order. Now we have 1.2, 1.02, 1.22, and we need to do it in ascending order. So again we will compare. So here we have 1, 1 and 1. They all are the same, so we cannot do anything about that. Now we have 2, 0 and 2. So you can see that 0 is smaller than 2. So we will choose that number and we will write that number in the first place. So 1.02. Now we need to compare the other two. So 1.2 and 1.2 is same. So now we need to see the third number. Here we don't have the third number, so I can put 0. So now you can see that here I have 0 and in the other number I have 2, and 0 is smaller than 2, so I'll choose 1.20 in the second place. And now I'm left with only one number, that is 1.22. Now let's see the third question. 0 0.75, 0 0.705, 0 0.57 and 0 0.507, and we need to do it in descending order. Let's compare now. So in the first number we have 0 here, 0 again, 0 and 0, so they are equal. Let's compare the second number. So here we have 7, 7, 5 and 5. So you can see that 7 is bigger than 5, so I'll choose the first two numbers and I'll compare them again. So 0 0.7 is same, so I'll compare now third number. Here is 5 and the other one is 0. So 5 is bigger than 0, so I'll choose 0 0.75 in the first place because that is the biggest number. Now we know that 0 0.705 is bigger than rest of the numbers because that number is start with 7, so I'll write that number in the second place. Now we need to compare these two, 0, 0, 5, 5 and 7. Here we have 7 and here we have 0. So 7 is bigger than 0. So I'll choose the third number, 0 0.57. And at last I will write 0 0.507 because that is the smallest number of all. So this is how we solve decimals in ascending and descending order. I hope you get it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.